All right, what's going on, tycoons? For today's video, we're looking at Uber, Uber everywhere. Yes, that same Uber. Okay, it's got earnings tomorrow. As you can see today, I have drawn up. All right, we'll go down to the 1 hour chart so you can see it a little bit better. From yesterday, 3 p.m. up to today's highs, the stock ran up 9%. Okay, so that was a 9% movement in price action. As you can see, most of that started after hours as soon as market closed. Yesterday, it shot up big, flatlined. Okay, it tried to pull back. All right, we retested this gap. There's a daily gap that it wants to fill, and it tried to fill it. And if you notice, we bounced right there at it. Okay, so we'll go back to the daily chart. Okay, and this is our newest daily gap that I was speaking of. We have two more daily gaps down here as well. All right, and gaps tend to fill about 90% of the time. It's just a matter of when. They may take a day to fill, they may take 10 years, 1 year. Okay, so that's just a little bit of info. We'll break down the chart some more. Okay, if you guys watched my previous video on Uber, you would have seen the bullish divergence that was going on, and I highlighted the bounce zone, as you can see right here. Okay, and perfectly hit our bounce zone, and what do you know, we bounced very hard. Okay, 9% run up since 3 p.m. last night, and it's been bouncing every time it's been hitting this bullish divergence. So you see, all right. What is bullish divergence, you're asking me? I'm sure you're asking that if you don't know. Um, I like to cover it in a lot of my videos. All right. Divergence is when the price action of the stock, all right, makes a here, for instance, we have a low and we created a lower low. Okay. So stock price is going down. It is making lower lows. The RSI, okay, is a low right here and then a higher low. So if you can see here, low, lower low, low, higher low, and we've been bouncing every time the stock has been bouncing off of this bullish divergence trend line. So you can see here, boom, we came, and let's look up. Right after that was green. Here we came, bounced it again. Right after that was green, and that continued into a big push that gapped us up, took us all the way up here. All right, and it consolidated, traded sideways a little bit. All right, and now we bounced up again right here. Okay, so with that being said, we'll break down some more. Okay, this purple channel right here is our main trading channel. Okay, we're looking at the 1 year daily chart. This is where Uber likes to trade the most. Okay, sometimes it goes a little bit above, sometimes it goes a little bit down. All right, this is our main trading channel from basically 42.5 up to around $59-$60 a share. Okay, that's where Uber is comfortable trading at, and you can try to swing trade off the lows and catch it up to the high. Okay, or you can do whatever you want. You can short it when it's up here and try to catch it back down low. This dotted line is the exact middle of this purple channel, and as you can see, that's a support and resistance level. Okay, we bounce here for support multiple times, flip that support to resistance, and now it's been rejecting there, and we haven't made it up there yet. Okay, we are reclaiming some of the moving averages. All right, we have here our 100-day simple moving average is now our new support level. All right, we're currently flipped that to support. Our 50-day simple moving average, we are also trading above that. These are both going to be support levels now. And then we have our 200-day moving average right here. That is going to be our next resistance, as well as this up here. Okay, so with all of that being said, I got one more thing I do want to show you guys. It does appear that Uber is kind of in a bearish channel currently. I'll extend this to the left just so maybe you guys can see it a little bit better. But basically from this point on, Uber has gone in a downtrend and has not been able to even, come back above the middle of this trading channel. Okay, so that's a quick breakdown. All right, look for a big move tomorrow and a big move the rest of this week in Uber. A lot of times stocks tend to overreact to earnings. We could see some overreaction here. Right, this may be an overreaction to belief that there's some positive news, and if Uber does have good positive news, the stock price could go up more as a reaction, or we could get that positive news and everyone who's been riding this momentum, okay, is going to take profits now, and we could see a big sell-off, and we could see this gap fill or this gap fill or this gap fill. So keep all of that in mind. Okay, and if you guys want to learn more about trading, join our Options Trading Tycoons Discord. I have a link in the description below. You can go ahead and use code Zackley to get a discount. You can get call outs from me and all the other various members, and also you get analysis, and there's tons and tons of resources that come with the Discord as well. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.